Okay, we are doing Fusion Grout Coat or Fusion Pore Filler, whatever you want to call it. We take this product, Fusion, Vexcon Fusion. We mix it 50-50 with water, which is what we have in the yellow sprayer over there. And then we take unsanded grout, which is what Jesus is tossing unsanded grout on the floor. You can see it from there. And what this is doing is this is filling up pores that are anywhere from 1/4 inch and under. And the key to this is the amount of liquid that you see getting put on, and just enough unsanded grout to be able to fill that in. And so we have 100 resin diamonds on the bottom of the machine. You can see how fast he's moving. All that machine is doing is it's grouting. It's taking this unsanded grout and it's working it into those pores in the floor. And we're ideally, we are leaving a little bit of a paste. Just like that is perfect. We're leaving that little bit of paste on the floor, and that paste is filling in those pores. And then this is going to dry in about half an hour to 60 minutes. And then we're going to come back with those 100 diamonds, and we're going to process the floor like we would normally do with 100 resins. As you can see, when they're getting close to that floor penetration, there's a little bit of a slope there. So they're going to have to do that by hand with a hand grinder in Fusion. Because if you don't do it, if you skip that, it's going to look different in the floor as you bring up the polish. Because Fusion acts as a densifier. As well as a pore filler. So ideally, now you can listen to the machine, and when he hits a dry spot, you can hear there's a little bit of a growl in the machine. You can hear the machine growl a little bit, and when it's running smooth, then you're getting a nice paste on the floor, and really what you're looking for is that paste. So you can hear it right now. There's a bit of a growl. That means it's drying out. And they really need to have a little bit more liquid on it. It's not the end of the world. It's not like we've got to stop and go back and fix that, because it's still getting worked into the pores. But you don't want to run the whole floor dry like that. Ideally, you're looking to leave a little bit of a wet paste on the floor, and then we come back with the same diamonds and we cut it back off. Also, you can, as you can see, you can run long lines with it. It's a little bit faster to move the machine in one line, one long line, rather than backing it, bringing it forward 6 feet and back 6 feet and forward 6 feet. When you can run those longer lines, it's a bit faster. And it doesn't take a lot of, as you can see, that's leaving a nice little layer of paste on the floor. That's what you're looking for. Again, any place where the big grinder doesn't hit, such around floor drains and whatnot, you're going to want to hit that by hand. Now, you don't want to get too far ahead of the machine, otherwise the Fusion's going to dry out. So try not to get too far ahead.